Networking is essential for success in any field. It's a great way to meet new people, expand your knowledge, and increase your professional opportunities. Here are 5 tips on how to grow your professional circle. The first tip is to reach out. Reach out to people in your field and let them know you're interested in connecting. Please introduce yourself and offer to help them in any way possible. It's also vital to accept invitations when they come your way. The second tip is to attend events. Attend industry events, conferences, and seminars to meet new people in your field. You can also use these events to learn new skills and stay up to date on the latest trends. The third tip is to join professional organizations. Professional organizations are a great way to meet like-minded people and increase your professional network. They also provide valuable resources and can help you stay informed about industry news. The fourth tip is to use social media. Social media is a great way to connect with people in your field. Follow industry experts, join relevant groups, and share your thoughts and experiences with others. The fifth tip is to stay connected. Once you've connected with someone, make sure to keep in touch. Follow up with the people you connect with after events, send them thank you notes, and offer to help them in any way you can. By following these 5 tips, you can expand your professional circle and increase your chances of success in your field. Networking can be intimidating, but it's an essential part of success. Start reaching out and build a professional network today. If you find the information helpful, let us know in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to see more of our content. Bye for now.